Beautiful. Water temperature is absolutely beautiful, sitting on about 18, 19 degrees. This is still on Kangaroo Creek. I don't know if there's a name for this waterfall. Now we just have to climb back up and try and find the track, continue on to Karloo Pool. Hey,
Where am I?
where are you?
I don't know.
Oh man,
What have you got me into?
I don't know. Totally lost the track. Trying to find our way back up the top. Water straight ahead, crossing the creek again. It's that way. Yeah. Well, totally lost the track now. Totally lost the track. We've been bush bashing up a little bit higher. I thought I was on trail, but obviously not. Looks like now we're at the junction, Gundera Brook. That's where the Gundera Dam is, a little bit further up here, joining Kangaroo Creek. And we've got to be on the other side of Kangaroo Creek. Oh, let's go through it. Okay. Oh, man. Well, at least the water temperature's pretty damn good. I think I can say about it. Okay. All right, I'm a little bit exhausted here. We were planning to do Kangaroo Creek all the way from Waterfall train station to Engadine track. However, done it once before, forgotten just how hard it was. You do lose the track in a lot of places. Very difficult, a lot of bush bashing, you're going to get a lot of scratches. Rocks are quite slippery. Good in parts, other parts horrible. This is a walk, I would say, definitely experienced bushwalkers only. We're going to finish here at Karloo Pool. I'm going to go jump in for a swim. Taking the track back up to the train station, heading back to Sutherland, going to grab something to eat. Looking forward to just getting home and relaxing. Oh, overall, it's been an okay day. Where the hell are we? Oh my God. Hey, oh, thanks. Hey mate, can you tell me, is this Kangaroo Creek track? I've just got it off the track a little bit, not too sure where I'm going. That way? Hey, thanks buddy. What's your name? Woody. Thanks Woody.